I will start with to show a beautiful picture from Gothenburg, as you can see it here, but which is somewhat older. But then you can see also my picture, which is like half an hour old, and just half an hour I got vaccination. So I'm very happy now and looking forward for the bright future, if I can say like that. And thank you for inviting me for this presentation. Now it's already Friday evening, and thanks you for you which are staying to the end of the conference. I hope you had a great conference so far. And as Donald said, what I would talk is about engineering or AI engineering or software engineering for AI. So just to define before that, what do I mean by artificial intelligence or by AI? You know, you have different parts of artificial intelligence, and that what is today the most in focus is machine learning. So AI based on data. So there are other types of AI. So when we are talking today, or when I will be talking about AI, I will talk assuming it's machine learning, and there are different technology as a part of machine learning. I will not talk about them concretely, but how they are used in development of system or software system. Just to mention, as you know, when we are talking about machine learning, the main classification is the supervised machine learning, which means that we have data and we have both input and output of data. And when we do our machine learning, we are calculating outputs for new input data, which are based on this information which we have from this data. For unsupervised learning, we have data, but we don't have output. So the values we are searching for, that's up to us to define and then find the similarities between data, some patterns, some clusters, and make a system to recognize data. And finally, we're talking about reinforcement learning, which is a dynamic process of adjusting from trials and dynamic process. So in most of the cases I will talk, and that's mostly always used in most of the cases, it's supervised machine